how are you going about finding the best ideas when you're trying to create new content?
I'll start with, I just want to talk to whoever's going to be like the talent or the client or whoever. But then it's basically like what you just said. It's essentially keyword research and understanding. Everything I do originated from getting into SEO. Back in the day when I launched my company, we were like all about organic traffic. And it was a few years after Google acquired YouTube. And so I was like, video's the future. This is back in like 2011. I think they acquired them in 2008 or 9 or something. And I was like starting my company like end of 2010, 11. And so I just studied the hell out of YouTube, what was working, and just went off after non-competitive from like a PPC standpoint, like paid ads. I went after non-competitive keywords where I could own like volume. And so created a few videos and was driving like 75,000 uniques a month to a couple landing pages just off of these YouTube videos of organizing this is for the sports videos. Just said, okay, no one's bidding on these because there's no product, but we're selling information. So I don't need to compete. It was perfect. And get them into a funnel, into a newsletter, and then keep them in your information. Once you get them in there and start just giving them value, they don't go anywhere. But it does start with a lot of keyword research, and now with the future's here. But if you can get into ChatGPT and start asking it questions on what your topic should be, it'll save you a lot of time,
man,
on coming up with ideas.
Listen, I'm telling you, I've been in ChatGPT a lot this last month and we can have a whole nother conversation about AI, but this idea of using it as a creative jumping point.
Yeah.
Because the hardest thing to do with all this stuff is distill down what you know into something that is digestible enough for you to take action on it, right? I think about even some of the experiences that I've had, right? Like if somebody were to ask me about ADA compliance on a website, I could talk about it. If you were to ask me to create a video about ADA compliance, like, I don't know. What do you want to know? So it's sometimes just getting those jump off points and like having a place to start and saying, oh, these are the 10 questions people are asking. I can answer it. Like, these are simple questions. And these are the 10 most asked questions across the internet that equal up to 150,000 opportunities for you to get eyeballs on your stuff. And so I love that you're saying that it comes from a place of keyword research and then using ChatGPT to accelerate that point. And if for anybody listening, if you don't know what ChatGPT is, my recommendation would be, number one, just Google it. I'll put the link for the thing in the show notes so you can go directly there. And as far as how to use it, you just got to play with it, right? I think there's some courses that people are starting to put out, but the real answer is just play with it. Don't be afraid of it. They're talking about like this idea of using ChatGPT and how to figure out the keyword research. I think that takes us into the next question really well. What do you think are going to be like the top 5 video marketing trends for 2023?
I think we're going to have there's going to be a movement around intellectual services, because intellectual, like IP, just expertise and stuff is slowly getting more and more commoditized. For example, I'm a decent storyteller. It's what my profession is, but I'm not a good copywriter in the sense of I can tell you what I'm trying to convey as a message, but I'm not a wordsmith. Okay. And so that was something high on my list of things where I'm like, I need a copywriter. I need to get my LinkedIn game up. My captions need to be more like, I need to be able to convey what I'm trying to say in words, but I usually do a short caption because it's just not my strength. And I just don't like it. With AI, like using Jasper, using ChatGPT, I'm a pretty good copywriter all of a sudden. Like I still have a copywriter, but if I wanted to do it myself all day, every day, if I was more of a solopreneur, I could handle it because I can say, hey, rewrite this, or here's what I'm trying to say. Write a 500 word post or whatever. And I'm not saying copy and paste it, although you could. People have done it, I should say. You can pick up a few phrases where it's like, oh, I like that word. Or you can start rewriting your own stuff. And so I've been using that a lot to find new ways to write a personal bio or write a caption or a warm email or a cold email, I should say. So I think there's going to be a little bit of a commoditization of expertise and certain skills. So that's
I
a big
agree.
thing coming. It's going to open up a lot of opportunity in the creator economy. It's not just going to replace jobs. I think it's like anything else, like automation does remove some jobs, but also creates new ones. It gives people an opportunity to hop into something they might not have it would otherwise be too big of a gap. So I think that's going to be a big thing. This is where drafters, this is what we're betting on. This is what I think it's going on but I think the creator economy is not going to just be this creator's world, but the gig economy within the creator economy is going to be growing. And that's why we're building creator tools to say, hey, you might be a creator in the sense of you make videos, but you don't have a following. You don't aspire to have a following, but you love to edit. You love to write. You love to manage. So I think content teams at big and small businesses and even creators themselves, like I have a team that helps me with my content, like VAs and things like that. I know other massive creators that have a whole operation. And so I think we're trying to build out that ecosystem for creator teams or content teams to be able to be put together and give people an opportunity to make a living in the gig economy within the creator economy. So I think that's another thing. So AI is going to commoditize a lot of expertise, and then there's going to be a lot of opportunities for freelancers in the creator economy. And then we're also seeing more of a move towards entertainment versus social media. So TikTok is an entertainment platform. It's not a social media. And so you're going to see a movement towards away from, like, you're seeing Netflix specials and stuff like that. Like, it's getting more and more to like social media is becoming the entertainment platforms. And so if you think of it that way, going viral can be a great thing if you go viral for the right thing. So you want to be entertaining with something. It's a balance. I can be entertaining in something I would naturally create for free forever because I love it. Don't go viral for a gimmick, because then you're pigeonholed into that and you can't. People are going to think more like production companies and brands are going to be born out of these followings from the creators. And then you're going to start having faces of brands. People are going to be personalities on behalf of brands. It's like the Allstate commercials have their characters flow from Progressive. You have all these people that are the face of the commercials. And so that's another opportunity that's coming with social media and for brands, because they want to connect with the person, not a logo. So
Absolutely.
anyway, that was a lot of words to answer your like, what, 2 or 3 trends? I don't know. This is all the stuff